How to use ChatGPT to save for your retirement. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can provide information and guidance on retirement planning, but it does not have the capability to manage your finances or directly. However, here are some steps you can take with Chat's help to plan and save for your retirement. 1. Determine your retirement goals. Use ChatGPT to research and learn about retirement savings, such as how much you need to save for retirement, the various retirement plans available, and the potential risks and benefits of each. Then, define your retirement goals and establish a target savings amount. 2. Create a retirement plan. Once you have a target savings amount, ChatGPT can help you create a retirement plan, which may involve selecting an appropriate retirement account or accounts, determining your asset allocation strategy, and calculating how much you need to save each month to meet your goals. 3. Track your progress. ChatGPT can also help you track your retirement savings progress over time, providing insights on how well you are doing compared to your goals, and offering advice on how to adjust your plan if needed. 4. Seek professional advice. While ChatGPT can provide helpful information, it is important to consider seeking professional financial advice from a qualified financial advisor or planner to develop and manage your retirement plan. Overall, using ChatGPT to learn about retirement savings, develop a plan, and track your progress can help you make informed decisions and take action towards achieving your retirement goals. Here are some reputable sources that provide information and guidance on retirement planning. The Social Security Administration. The Social Security Administration, SSA, provides information on retirement planning, including how to calculate your Social Security benefits and how to apply for them. Their website also includes calculators and tools to help you plan for retirement. Visit their website at https://www.ssa.gov/planners/retire. The Department of Labor. The Department of Labor, DOL, offers information on retirement savings plans, including 401(k), IRAs, and other types of retirement accounts. They also provide guidance on how to choose and manage retirement plans. Visit their website at https://www.dol.gov/general/topic/retirement. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. FINRA is a non-profit organization that regulates the securities industry. They provide resources on retirement planning, including information on retirement accounts and how to choose financial advisors. The National Institute on Retirement Security, NIRS. The NIRS is a non-profit research and education organization that focuses on retirement security. They offer research and analysis on retirement savings and provide resources to help individuals plan for retirement. The Certified Financial Planner Board of Standards. The Certified Financial Planner Board of Standards, CFP Board, is a non-profit organization that sets standards for financial planners. Their website provides information on how to find a certified financial planner and how to plan for retirement. Visit their website at https://www.cfp.net. I hope this helps.